I had this Samsung TV's SMPS lying around and I didn't know what to do with it. Because of its large size and low voltage level, it didn't suit any of my project's needs. But recently, I found out a way to increase its voltage rating. The actual rating of this SMPS is about 12.5 volts at 3 amps, which is low for my needs because 12 volts is far lesser than 24 volts. Every SMPS uses a feedback voltage either with a Zener diode or with a fixed voltage reference IC. So I turned the SMPS around and was looking for a Zener diode or an IC as such. And luckily I got a fixed reference IC which is over here. There was a resistor through the reference which I removed and soldered a variable resistor, that is a potentiometer. And when I did this, the output was successfully variable. But keep in mind that it is not at all variable to a very particular range such as 1 volt to 25 volts or something like that, because the switching IC should also be capable of it. So in my SMPS, it was more stable at 5 volts to about 19 volts. If you go beyond that level through this potentiometer, the voltage levels will fluctuate. Though I wasn't able to show you the outputs, at 5 volts the SMPS can provide up to 10 amps, which is 50 watts of output, and at 12 volts around 2.5 amps. So now this SMPS can provide power for most of my projects in the future. Also note that every SMPS will have different kinds of ICs or a Zener diode which you have to go through your own research and find your best matched procedure. And also note that at the output there will be a filtering capacitor which you have to change. Since we are varying the output voltage, the capacitor must be changed to a higher voltage rating. If you do not do that, you may be in danger. The capacitor may get damaged or even blast to flames. Before doing such experiments, do know what you are doing and then proceed. I am not responsible for any danger which occurs while you do that. So for today, this is it. If you like my video or have any thoughts, drop a comment down below. I'll definitely reach out to you. That's all.